Good pudding?
Mm-hmm.
I'd reckon. You're getting it everywhere?
Uh-huh.
I love you.
Knuckles.
No way, your knuckles are dirty. I love you.
Pow!
Do you love mommy? Do you love daddy? Do you love Nana?
It's not.
A lot. Do you love Uncle Stu? Do you love BB? A lot. And BB?
A lot.
Do you love Granny? Do you love Pawpaw?
Oh, sad.
Who's sad?
Huh?
Who?
You?
Me? Why am I sad? I'm not sad. I'm happy. Because you're eating that pudding. Is that good pudding? Two? Two's working.
I'm sad.
You're sad. Why are you sad? Because why?
Huh?
Are you eating your pudding? Is it good? I love you. Say I love you.